3, 2, 1.
What legendary Hollywood actress was the second wife of actor Richard Burton, who passed away in 1984? The answer is D. Elizabeth Taylor. What was the second song played on MTV? The answer is C. You Better Run. How do I erase my bookmarks when I've double-clicked in the search bar? The answer is C. Try this. Go to your bookmark, right-click, delete. What is used in Microsoft's CAB format? The answer is D. LZX. Who set a water speed record of 225.6 mph at Kynaston Water in September 1956? The answer is A. Donald Campbell. Where does a eukaryote store the cell's DNA? The answer is C. In the nucleus. Baby chicks peck their way out of their shells when they hatch. This activity is an example of which of the following types of behavior? The answer is A. Instinctive. Who informed Victoria of her uncle's passing and that she was now to become Queen of England? The answer is A. The Archbishop of Canterbury and Lord Kinningham. What does a female dog experience at sexual maturity? The answer is C. First estrous cycle. What organizations don't offer prize money but do offer championship points for exhibition games? The answer is C. Auto racing organizations. What happens when available water decreases in an environment? The answer is D. Dry spell. When Cleopatra comes in and sees Antony dying, what does she do? The answer is C. Cleopatra commits suicide as soon as Antony dies. What happened to the rate of flow in the Rhine during the Rhine straightening program? The answer is C. Increase. Western Star Trucks is a subsidiary of which German multinational company? The answer is A. Daimler AG. Which natural food item is named after American John McAdam? The answer is C. Macadamia nuts. A penny-farthing high-wheel bicycle is steered by which wheel-less? The answer is A. Front. Which character created by Brian K. Vaughan and Adrian Alpona has control of a vehicle in the form of a large frog? The answer is A. Chase Stein. What was the score of Philadelphia Eagles after the year of the team not reaching the Super Bowl, despite being favored in the final two NFC title games? The answer is D. 0-6. Who was the English monarch from 1399 to 1413? The answer is D. Henry Roman IV. What organization does climate-related research? The answer is B, IPCC. In which of these places natural pearl hunting on a large scale has survived until modern times? The answer is B, Australia and Bahrain. How was the cultural importance of hunting in ancient societies represented? The answer is B, by deities. What method of execution was not used on James W. Rogers? The answer is C, firing squad. What character did John Wayne play in True Grit? The answer is D, Rooster Cogburn. What is an example of a primarily graduate university? The answer is C, St. Francis Xavier. What are now often the most economic solution for old generating capacity? The answer is D, renewable technologies. Through what company is the TCM Vault collection released? The answer is C, Warner Home Video. Myositis affects which part of the body? The answer is B, muscles. Why may the narrator be interested in the museum? The answer is B, they may be Judaic. Sir Arthur Conan Doyle studied for which profession before becoming a successful author? The answer is B, Doctor of Medicine. Mitochondria are thought to have evolved from what kind of cells? The answer is D, ancient prokaryotic. What must other Grand Lodges do if two overlapping Grand Lodges cannot agree to share the territory? The answer is A, choose between them. Plant-like protists are called what? The answer is B, algae. Where in the human body is the anatomical snuff box? The answer is C, hand. What was the name of the Windows 8 advertising campaign? The answer is C, Windows Everywhere. Which Olympic swimmer was known as Eric the Eel? The answer is C, Eric Malsimbani. What options were available to large businesses? The answer is C, copper wires to provide dial-up. What did Altan Khan threaten the Mongol princes and subjects with if they did not convert? The answer is B, execution. Speleology is the scientific study or exploration of what? The answer is C. Caves. What was Freddie Mercury's real name? The answer is A. Farrokh Bulsara. Which entity subsumed the Kakatiya dynasty? The answer is C. Khilji dynasty. What may be the reason why they smell hash browns in the middle of the woods? The answer is A. Someone is using a campfire to cook hash browns. What types of programs don't help to redistribute wealth? The answer is C. Social welfare. We see a series of diver shots and a manta ray swims on the ocean floor. People wave to the camera underwater. What happens next? The answer is B. C. The ending title screen. Queen Alexandra was the wife of which British king? The answer is A. Edward Roman VII. What is composed of antimatter? The answer is A. Antiparticles. Which of the following best conserves natural resources that are used to make a television? The answer is A. Repair your broken television. What administrator divided the province of Bengal in half? The answer is B. Lord Curzon. What group do the soldiers team up with to save Troy? The answer is C. The rebel group. Who is making as many as 11 substitutions per tournament?